Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Icon Box for August. Icon Box is a quarterly upgrade for Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy members. Every 3 months a new celebrity is chosen to curate 8 full-size products. Each box is worth at least $350 for just $58. This quarter's box is curated by Vanessa Hudgens. Use the link in my description box to sign up. Inside we have the Amika the Kure Multitask Repair Treatment, Slather Topicals Exfoliating Body Serum, Clark's 7-Acid Daily Glow Peel, Volition Neroli Complete Creme, Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo, Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, MAC Lip Pencil, and the NARS Air Matte Lip Color. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and applying the Slather Topicals Exfoliating Body Serum. This is supposed to be used on the body, so I'm just applying it to my arms, hands, and neck. It feels like a regular lotion, but the scent isn't that appealing. Next, I'm testing out the Clark's 7-Acid Daily Glow Peel. This is the most expensive product in the box at $75. It contains a blend of 7 exfoliating acids like lactic, citric, and glycolic. I'm not getting any sort of negative reactions that I'd usually get with a product like this, such as redness or tingling, so I'm looking forward to the results since it's won so many awards. After that, I'm using the Volition Neroli Complete Creme. Main ingredients of this include vitamin C and vegan collagen. This is meant for oily and combination skin, so it's not really the best product for my skin type. It's just not going to be moisturizing enough for my dry skin. Now let's take a look at the Natasha Denona Alloy Cheek Duo. This is a bronzer and highlighter palette. Let's swatch it. The texture is buttery soft and the highlighter is so dazzling. This shade of bronzer is super flattering on my skin and it's blending in effortlessly. It's also very pigmented, so a little goes a long way. The highlighter is made with finely milled chroma crystals and luxurious crushed pearls for a radiant 3D strobe. After that, I'm trying the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara. This is a dual-ended mascara with 2 sides, one for volume and one for curl and length. To give it a fair test, I'm going to apply the volume formula on one eye and the curl and length formula on the other eye. The volume formula has short, low-gravity fibers and an injected brush with intertwined bristles to provide definition. The curl and length formula has gripping waxes and 5mm length fibers with a curved injected brush. This is the volume side and this is the curl and length side. There's not much of a difference between the 2 sides, but I do notice that my lashes look a lot longer on the curl and length side. To line my lips, I'm using the MAC Lip Pencil. This is in the shade Spice, which is described as a pink cinnamon stick. This is actually my first time trying a MAC lip liner, so I'm pretty thrilled to have one in my collection. Finally, I'm applying the NARS Air Matte Lip Color. This is in the shade Lose Control, and I could definitely see Vanessa wearing this color. It feels so light and comfortable. Here's the finished look using products from the August Icon Box curated by Vanessa Hudgens. Let me know your favorite product from the box in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.